Hello and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we are making a classic sugar pie. So we need 2 cups of brown sugar. We'll add to that 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, so that's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. We're going to mix that all together really quickly, just making sure that the flour dusts the sugar fairly evenly. And we are using the back of our spoon as we go to make sure that there's no clumps in the brown sugar, breaking up any that we encounter. Okay, so once we've got that ready to go, we're going to quickly use the back of a fork to whisk up 2 eggs, just until they are pale, and we've removed any of the long string bits. To that we are going to whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You want the highest fat content you can find. Once we've got that fully incorporated, we will add it into our dry mix. Mix it all together, pour that into our prepped pie crust here. We want that pie crust raw to start off with. This all mixed together at the same time. This is going to cook in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes, and then you're going to immediately reduce the temperature to 350 and cook it for another 35 to 40 minutes, just until the edges of the crust are nicely browned and the pie itself is just slightly set. You then want it to cool fully before eating. And that is a classic sugar pie.